Day 2 of our road trip. We stopped over North Carolina last night to get some sleep, and today morning we showered and then had breakfast, and now we're off. I don't think we'll be crossing any more state. We'll be directly coming to Atlanta, Georgia, where our final destination would be. We learned our lesson, so we left early not to miss the sun. It was really difficult last night to drive without lights. We're really not used to it. Plus, there are some points where there are no cars around. It's just us. We got so worried that we'll break down or something. Yeah. And it's spooky. So now we're driving off before midday. Pumping gas again. This stop is awesome. They have a shower facility and laundry. When I was inside paying for the gas, I heard a voiceover asking for customer number 50. It says, your shower is ready. So we're inside a convenience store with a restroom and shower and laundry and phone. I think this is where the showers are. You just wait for your number, your token number to be called for you to use the shower. So it's my turn to drive because hubby is having his favorite ice cream. From Dairy Queen. They don't have it in Dubai anymore. They have it in Al Ain, Ras Al Khaimah, I think, in Abu Dhabi, but not in Dubai. And we're so in love with this ice cream.
Hey guys, what's up? Taking over my wife's vlog because she's driving, and I want her to focus so she doesn't, baby, watch out. So I'm gonna be your host today. No, just kidding, just for a while. Driving around in States. We're on our way to Atlanta. Should be there in about 4 hours or something. Weather is awesome today. Not too much sun and no rain, luckily. So unlike yesterday, I think we'll be reaching our hotel, you know, during daytime. So around 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock we should be in the hotel. And first things we're gonna do is we're gonna just, you know, jump on the bed, relax for a while, and then maybe go out later at night, chill, check out Atlanta.
It's just been an hour and I'm bored already.
What are you driving, a Tesla?
Yeah, I put it on autopilot. Car, turn to the right. Turning right in 100 feet. See? It turned to the right. Oh my god!
Hold on.
So, look who's ahead of me. I cannot cross the speed limit by 1 mile at least because we don't want to get in trouble, especially here. It's not our country. I think gonna delay our travel time. I just hope it gets out of my way soon. We've been driving like this for about 10 minutes now. Zack. We're feeling patrol again in South Carolina. Just want to show you guys our patrol station. It's 7-Eleven. Can't believe they also have a gas station here in America. There's only one 7-Eleven in Dubai, which is hidden in Business Bay. And here they even have a gas station. And their price is a bit competitive compared to the other petrol stations that we've been to. This is like the lowest we've gotten so far. We're half a tank, but we decided to fill it anyway since it's cheap. And we stopped by to use the restroom. We reached Atlanta and now we're having dinner in Gus's fried chicken world famous. Well, they said you haven't been to Atlanta if you haven't tried the Gus's chicken. What do their shirts say? Anyways, we ordered here. I love it.
It's very hot, okay?
It's a bit spicy and the guys aren't a fan of spicy foods. Honey's sweating just from eating the chicken. But I love it. I recommend this, guys. 5 stars. If you're in Atlanta, downtown, visit Gus's world famous fried chicken in Peachtree Center.